Hello, bonjour, guten tag, hola, and god tag. My name is Chris Butsch, author, speaker, and all-around happy guy. Are you on a quest for happiness? If so, I've got a shortcut for you. It's my new Happiness and Creative Confidence workshop. Maybe you're a bit like me. For years, I was confused, unhappy, and unfulfilled in my life. I wanted to be happier, I just wasn't sure how. So I decided to quit my job and study happiness full-time. I studied psychology and neuroscience, but also traveled the world studying amazing and happy people, from tuk-tuk drivers in Rajasthan to Buddhist monks in Bhutan. Now I wake up happier every day. And I'd like to share with you everything that I've learned. So please join me in the Happiness and Creative Confidence workshop, and together we'll take a shortcut on your quest for happiness.